Hi, welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we're going to see prime numbers. So, what are prime numbers? A prime number has only two factors, which are 1 and itself. And all prime numbers must be a whole number that is greater than 1. So here it says whole number. A decimal or a fraction number can't be a prime number. Also, the only even prime number is 2. A prime number always ends with 1, 3, 7 or 9. But that doesn't mean that all numbers that end in 1, 3, 7 and 9 are prime numbers. Also, if a number is not a prime number, then it is a composite number. So, prime and composite are totally the opposite. A prime number only has two factors which are 1 in itself, while a composite number has more than two factors. So meaning it has more than the factors 1 and itself. Also, 1 is not a prime number or a composite number. Also, there are different types of prime numbers. So there are co-primes and more. We will talk later about those prime numbers in a different video. Now, here is a 100 grid chart. So see this X over here? The X's mean the numbers or composite numbers. And if it has a slash like this one, it means the number 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. So why is 1 not prime or composite? Because 1 only has one factor, which is 1, basically itself. So, the only equation we can make that equals 1 is 1 times 1. So, see these boxes that don't have any X or slashes? That means they are prime numbers. As you see, all the numbers that are prime numbers here end in an odd number and always end in the numbers 1, 3, 7 and 9. Except 2, which is the only even prime number. So, let's see the number 21. It's a composite number because it has more than the factors 1 in itself. It also has the factors 7 and 3. So that's why 21 is a composite number. And always remember that. Don't think that the numbers that end in 1, 3, 7 and 9 are all prime numbers. So one easy way to remember how many prime numbers are between each 10 is by remembering this number. This number has 10 digits, just like a phone number. So the number is 4422322321. This is a very easy way to remember how much prime numbers are between each 10. So to remember this number, there's a very simple trick. First, we have to write 44. So what is the half of 44? The half of 44 is 22. So we write 22 like this. Then what is between 2 and 4? Between 2 and 4 is 3. So we write 3. Next we write 22. So here we have the number 322. So what is 1 less than 322? 1 less than 322 is 321. Or instead, we can remember it as writing 1, 2, 3 backwards as 3, 2, 1. So now we have the number 4, 4, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. So this is a very easy way to remember how many prime numbers are between each 10. So we can easily see that there are 4 prime numbers between 11 to 20 by using this. Isn't this so cool? Now let's take 21 as an example. So let's see what equations equal 21. So 7 times 3 equals 21. Next we can do 1 times 21 which equals 21. So the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Let's see an example, 73. So we have to determine if 73 is either prime or not. Here we have a tip which says that if a number ends in 1, 3, 7 or 9, here 73 does end in 3, it can be a prime number. So we only have to check it by 3, 7 and 9. And if it isn't divisible by all the three numbers 3, 7 and 9, we can know that the number is a prime number. So here 73 ends in a 3. So we only have to check it by the numbers 3, 7 and 9. So let's first check if 73 is divisible by 3. So now let's first check it for 3. So we have to add the digits 7 and 3 together. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Since 10 is not divisible by 3, the number 73 is also not divisible by 3. Now let's check it for 7. So first we have to see what is the double of 3. The double of 3 is 6. Then we have to subtract 7 minus 6, which is 1. Since 1 is not divisible by 7, 73 is also not divisible by 7. So now we see that 73 is not divisible by 3 and 7. If 73 is also not divisible by 9, we can clearly know that it's a prime number. So now let's check it for 9. So we have to add the digits 7 and 3 together. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. So when we add the digits of the number, the sum should be 9. Or we can know that it's not divisible by 9. So since the sum of 7 and 3 gives 10, we can clearly know that 73 is not divisible by 9 either. Since 73 is not divisible by the numbers 3, 7 and 9, 73 is a prime number.
Thanks for watching.